If you're wondering how to use a form as a sales funnel entry point, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how, without wasting your time. And if you stick around, I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, only for viewers of my channel. Using a form as a sales funnel entry point is one of the easiest ways to start capturing leads, qualifying prospects, and sending them down a custom journey, all automatically. But most people mess it up by either asking too many questions, using clunky software, or not connecting the form to anything meaningful. I've tested almost every major form builder out there. Typeform, JotForm, HubSpot, ClickFunnels, you name it. Some are great for design, others for automation. But the software we'll be using in this tutorial gives you the best of both worlds. Beautiful forms and automation behind the scenes. And yes, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, so you can follow along. Step 1. Build your form with a clear purpose. Are you qualifying leads, booking calls, offering a freebie? Your form needs one clear goal. Keep the number of fields low. Ideally, just name, email, and one qualifying question like, what's your biggest challenge right now? That one field gives you context and helps with segmentation later. Step 2. Add logic or conditional flows. For example, if someone selects a specific challenge, you can automatically show a different confirmation message or trigger a unique follow-up email sequence. This turns your form into a dynamic funnel entry, not just a dead-end data capture. Step 3. Connect it to an automation system. This is where our software shines. You can automatically tag users, send follow-up emails, notify your sales team, or even book appointments without writing a single line of code. The whole system is plug and play if you use the link below for the free trial. Step 4. Embed the form where your traffic is warm, like your website homepage, a landing page, or under a YouTube video like this one. Make sure the call to action is clear. Instead of submit, use get your free guide or book my free call. Step 5. Track conversions and optimize. After a few days, go back and check where people drop off. Maybe a question is confusing or unnecessary. Small tweaks here can double your conversion rate. Here's the key takeaway. A form isn't just for collecting emails. It's your first chance to qualify leads, segment your audience, and automate your sales funnel from the very first click. If you build it with intention and connect it to automation, it becomes a full sales funnel entry point, not just a form. Quick recap. Define one goal, keep the form short, use conditional logic, connect to automation, embed it in high traffic areas, and optimize based on data. And before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial of the software in the description. It's only available to my viewers, and it makes everything you saw today ridiculously simple to set up. Thanks for watching. Now go build that funnel.